Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you if this Apple logo is a button. So let's tap on it, for example twice, and here we've got the camera, so it looks like it is a button. However, you have to set it at first, and then it will be working as a button. So how to activate this button option for this logo? So at first you have to open the settings, and now find and select accessibility, then open touch options, scroll all the way down, and here you will notice back tap. Click on it to manage the option, and now you can add some function to double tap, as it is camera for example, and then triple tap. And that's it. From now on, once you tap twice or you create a triple time on this back cover right here, so mostly at your Apple logo, you can open camera, you can open flashlight or whatever you set. So this is it. This is how your back cover can work as a button. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.